Ping An Finance Center, a tower of business and innovation. The Ping An Finance Center, located in Shenzhen, China, stands at 599 meters and is a symbol of China's rise as a global financial powerhouse. Designed by Kohn Pedersen Fox Associates, this tower is an architectural gem that embodies the future of sustainable urban living. Sleek, elegant, and efficient, the Ping An Finance Center is home to some of the most prominent companies in the world, making it a hub of business and innovation. The building's slender form not only gives it a striking silhouette but also maximizes floor space, allowing for a vast array of commercial offices, retail spaces, and conference centers. The use of ultra-strong steel in its construction allows the tower to resist high wind loads while maintaining a sense of lightness in its appearance. The building also features advanced seismic design techniques, ensuring that it remains stable even in the event of an earthquake. One of the most impressive aspects of the Ping An Finance Center is its commitment to environmental sustainability. The building's high-performance glass facade reduces the need for artificial lighting while minimizing heat gain, lowering energy consumption throughout the day. In addition, the tower uses recycled materials wherever possible and features energy-efficient systems for water and waste management. Inside, the tower offers some of the most cutting-edge office spaces in the world. Companies housed within the building benefit from state-of-the-art technology, world-class conference facilities, and unparalleled views of Shenzhen's skyline. The tower also includes observation decks where visitors can gaze out over one of the fastest-growing cities in the world. The Ping An Finance Center is more than just a building. It's a symbol of China's rapid economic transformation and commitment to innovation.